Cracking sunshine on your skin, like you never even left my mind. I said, baby, what's been going on? You said life and life, but I'm holding.
What is up, beautiful babes? Welcome back to Beauty by Sweet Angel. If you are new here, my name is Sweet Angel. And around here, we believe that beauty does not stop with age. See, I'm all about mature skin glow-ups, natural beauty secrets, oh yeah, DIY skincare, self-care, confidence, and helping women over 50, over 60, and beyond feel beautiful inside and out. On this channel, we laugh, glow, and learn together. But most importantly, you know what we love doing? Keeping it real. We keep it real because aging is a blessing, and we're going to glow gracefully while doing it. So grab your tea, your coffee, better yet, grab your water. Yes. Or maybe some skincare goodies, and let's pamper ourselves together, beautiful babes. Now today I'm sharing a collagen boosting DIY face mask that has my skin feeling soft, hydrated, firm, and glowing, baby. Oh yeah. So let's get right into it. How about that? Listen, you know what the best part of this facial mask is? You probably already have these ingredients at home. Here is what we're using today. 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, and just a few drops of vitamin E oil. These ingredients are amazing for mature skin because they help to nourish, moisturize, and support a youthful looking glow. So if you got all that, go ahead and mix everything together until it becomes smooth and creamy. Y'all know I love masks that feel luxurious without spending a fortune. I just simply apply this mask evenly onto the skin, avoid the eye area, and this is the perfect time to relax and sip your tea or drink your water and let this goodness soak into your skin. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and after rinsing with lukewarm water, your skin should feel softer, refreshed, hydrated, and glowing. And that glow, woo, that glow be glowing, okay? Consistency is key with DIY skincare. I always say, take care of your skin with love and patience. And beautiful babes, that is it. All right, beautiful babes, if you enjoyed today's DIY collagen boosting mask, make sure you give this video a like, please. And if you have not subscribed, what the heck are you waiting on? Girl, stop. Stop and subscribe and turn on those notifications so you don't miss more mature skin glow up content. Y'all gotta remember, aging is a blessing, but we still want to glow while doing it. Yes, we do. I love y'all so much. Bye, beautiful babes.